guys, how you doing? Today is not raining yet, which is awesome. I'm travelling up to Redditch and then we're going on to the NEC for the Caravan and Camping Show. I'm looking for parts for my camper van. Fingers crossed we get some good parts there, or some ideas. I'm looking for to do the interior. Wasn't going to, but all down the one side I've got the the fridge, kitchen, the little hob and everything like that, and then the storage, and then a little wardrobe. And when we took that out of the camper, it was quite bad, to be honest. And I thought, I'm having the camper renovated. I tell you what, have a look at what it looks like now first, and then I'll tell you the next bit. On to the show. Hopefully we'll find some good companies that can kind of help with the interior side of it. Yeah, come with us guys, it should be a lot of fun. See you there.
Expensive actually, especially when you add the bits on.
It's not bad though, is it, for what you get? It's beautiful, really beautiful. It's a good idea when that comes out and gives you more space. It's beautiful. Oh wow. This one's great. I really like this. Oh my gosh, look at the proper little loo, shower.
Proper cooker, that is nice.
It's beautiful. Proper cooker and oven. And proper sink. Microwave. TV. Wow. And then this gives you all this much extra space. Oh, it's beautiful.
It's really nice, isn't it?
It's lovely.
I do like this.
That's a good idea, that. So it hides it all away.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
And then you've got storage that side.
That's really good.
So the interior of that one is absolutely amazing. I'm just going to ask the guy whether they actually make interiors, because that's really cool. The wood's lovely, and I like the idea that you can close off the fridge and cooker and everything. That's really awesome. See if they can actually make them for my camper, which is a Type 25. Beautiful interior in this one as well.
It's nice, isn't it?
It is nice. Yeah, we've got some really good ideas, but sadly they do not make interiors for a Type 25, Type 5 and Type 6. So we're looking at some others now. There's just so many campers, that's beautiful. So we've not managed to find an actual interior company that we can speak to, but we have got a load of ideas from the camper vans that we've seen. They were just awesome.